Hi guys, welcome to US Educate Academy. Thanks for connecting with us. And in this video, we are going to run through how to make money using Redbubble.com. And stay until the last moment so that you won't miss any single point or any single instruction in order to make lots and lots of money using a very simple technique. Now let's jump into it. So first of all, open Google Chrome and then search for redbubble.com. So this is redbubble.com website. And what is Redbubble? And Redbubble is a global marketplace for print-on-demand products like t-shirts and phone cases, stickers, clothing accessories and pets, and many more. And before you sell your art or buy any art, you should create an Redbubble account. And now we'll click sign up. And you can join Redbubble by an artist sign up or a customer. Either you can select customer or artist. Now I am going to select the customer sign up, and you should give the email address, username, password. You should click sign up. So now I'm going to fill this form, and as you guys can see, I have currently filled all the section of the form in order to sign up for the redbubble.com website. Now I'm going to click sign up. It's loading. Yes, now I have successfully reached the dashboard page of the redbubble.com website. And this is an awesome website. You can create products, add designs, set up shops, and you can get paid. In order to get paid, you should confirm your email and add your name and address and add payment details. You can set up a shop. In order to set up a shop, you should add an avatar, a cover image, social links, and bio. And now we'll explore the website through different categories, and through this button you can add your new works, new art designs, and by clicking on upload you can upload it, or when you copy it you can paste it through this button over here. And this is a very good website. Now let's see how we can rank top in redbubble.com website in our new work. Now let's go to Redbubble homepage and just tap on the search box, and these are the trending topics which is explored by lots and lots of people in this time period. And one is Techno Blade, and this is also the best product of this website, and this is mostly searched by lots of people. And this topic is an opportunity for us because lots of people are buying these print-on products in this topic, which is Technoblade, and we can customize it through the trending or most relevant or newest or best selling. Now I'm going to click trending. Yes, this is the trending and the most famous Technoblade print-on product, and this is $1, and when you buy 4 it's $1.93, and when you buy 10 it's $1.29. when you buy a single product it's $2.57. This sticker is more worthy, and this is 100% trending in this website. So by building like this works, you can get dollars and dollars money and do a small keyword research from today and just pick some topics which are trending and work for it by creating new products and uploading it to this website. And that's it for this video. Please like, share and subscribe US Educate Academy YouTube channel for more videos and tech tips. See you in the next one.